Well, good morning. Today we'll be starting with our last pattern, or we can say the last part of the chapter, which sums nature of roots. Now, nature of roots, it means you have to find how the roots are. Roots of can be of three types, because we have already learned the formula to find the roots. X is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula to find the roots. Now the roots depend upon this. Okay, this is known as discriminant, b square minus 4ac. D is known as discriminant. With the help of b square minus 4ac, we can find the root will be equal. So there will be three type of root: b square minus 4ac equal to 0, or b square minus 4ac can be more than 0, or b square minus 4ac can be less than 0. Because the value of x depend upon this value, if the roots will be equal to 0, if the value is coming equal to 0. For example, if we take any number, in this case this is known as two real and equal roots. This will be two real and equal roots. And if it is more than 0, two distinct and real roots. Okay, and the last one is no real roots. Let us check why I say it is two real and equal roots. Okay, two equal and real roots. Equal and real will come. Two equal and real roots. Now why I am telling two equal and real root? Let us check an example. For example, if I am taking any example of my own, if it is coming 16 minus 16 and here 3. Example, I am not taking any sum, just understand what I am talking about. What you mean by this? It means first condition say if the value of b square minus 4ac is coming equal to 0. See, in this case it is coming 0. Minus 2 plus or minus, the answer is coming 0 upon 3. So you observe minus 2 plus 0 upon 3 or minus 2 minus 0 upon 3, because root of 0 is not there. At 0 will be 0 only. Okay, minus 2 plus 0 upon 3, minus 2 minus 0, both you will get same answer. In both case you are getting same answer, minus 2 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3. Therefore that's why we say b square minus 4ac if equal to 0. If the value of this is equal to 0, it will be 2 equal and real root. I believe you have understood what I am telling. If the answer is coming 0, it will be 2 equal and real root. But if the answer is coming b square minus 4ac is coming more than 0, for example, in place of this, if it is 17 minus 6, if it is minus 2 plus or minus 17 minus 6 upon 2, so you will get two answers plus 1 upon 2. Okay, because 17 minus, let's say 16 only, 17 by 16 you will get 1. So you will get minus 2 plus 1 upon 2 or minus 2 minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2 or minus 3 upon 2. That's why whenever b square minus 4ac is more than 0, it says two distinct. Distinct means different. See, different. They are different. Here it was equal, two equal. You are getting equal answer. Now you are getting two distinct. If it is more than 0, you will get two distinct answer, two different answer. Two distinct and real. It is a real, right? Real roots. So it's a real number. So distinct and real roots. And if the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if the value of coming less than 0 means, we can take an example, minus 2 plus or minus 6 minus 9. So minus 2 plus or minus minus 3. You know that minus 3 the root does not exist. Therefore no real roots. No real roots. So I have explained you three cases. If it is equal to 0, you will have two equal and real root. I have shown the example why. If it is more than 0, two different roots. And if it is less than 0, no real root exists. So this is known as discriminant, the nature of roots. By this you can find the nature of root. Don't you have to use the whole formula directly. This formula will be used to find the nature of roots. Let us do questions of the exercise. First question is nature of roots. If real root exists, find them. So first you write A, B, and c. You can find the nature of root with the help of this formula. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 3 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 5. So if you solve it, 3 square is 9 minus 4 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So you're getting minus 33, which is less than 0. So no real root. The root of minus 33 does not exist because d is coming minus 33. Okay, so no real roots. Next question, let us check. A is 3, b is minus 4 root 3 and c is 4. Again, you have to check the nature of roots. Nature of root formula is b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 root 3 square minus 4ac. So 4 square is 16. 3 root 3 square is 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 4 is 12, 48. So it is coming equal to 0. So discriminant is coming equal to 0. It means two equal and real roots. If the root exists, then find them. It was asked in question, so it is existing. So my formula is minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2a. I am not writing b square minus 4ac because already I found the value of this. B square minus 4ac is 0. So you can directly write this. Don't have to write the complete. Directly put the value of d because d is b square minus 4ac. So minus b is 4 root 3 plus or minus d is coming 0 upon 2a. If you solve this, minus plus 4 root 3 plus 0 no value, so upon 2 3 is 6. So plus 0 plus or minus 0. Okay, if you are confused, you can write this 4 root 3 upon 6 plus 0 or 4 root 3 upon 6 minus 0. Two answers you have. So both answers are same. So 2 root 3 upon 3 or 2 root 3 upon 3, because plus 0 or minus 0 will not change the answer. Don't write it. Directly write this. It is still correct. So I believe you have understood how to do this. Similarly here also, in this you have to check a is given, b is given, c is given. With the help of this you can find nature of roots. So a is here 2, b is minus 6, c is equal to 3. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. When to use this formula directly? When it is asked, find the nature of roots. Otherwise it is also helpful in other also, but directly find nature, then you can do. Okay, so minus 6 square minus 4 a c, 36 4 0 12 4 8 0 24. So your answer is coming more than 0. Therefore two distinct and real roots. If the root exists, find them. X is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So you can directly write d upon 2a minus b. So minus 6 plus or minus root d is what? 12 upon 2a. So it is 6 plus or minus. Most of you might know how to find 12, how to make 12 in the lowest form. 12 means 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Pairing of 2 is done. So root 12 can be written as 2 and 3 does not have any pairing, so it will be in root. So 2 root 3 and to the 4. So what is common here? 2 is common. 3 plus or minus 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 upon 4. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So you have 3 plus root 3 upon 2 or 3 minus root 3 upon 2. You have two values, 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus root 3 upon 2. So two values of x you got. So as the root was distinct, you have two root were more than 0. It is you have two distinct roots, two different roots. Now the last part, which is find the value of k if root are real and equal. The root is given real and equal. The roots are equal roots. So d is directly equal to 0. It is written root are equal, real and equal. Equal means equal to 0. Yes, when you will get equal roots? When the discriminant is equal to 0. What is formula of discriminant? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is a? A will be 2, b will be coefficient of x, which is k, and c is equal to 3. Put the values. K square minus 4 a c equal to 0. So k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k is equal to plus or minus 24. Now 24 you can write in the lowest form. 24, again check those who have not understood how to find square root. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Pairing of 2 is done, but no pairing of this two numbers. So this two numbers will be in root, and pairing of this is done. So k is equal to plus or minus 2, and pairing not done, so it will be in root. So k plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, why plus or minus? Because equal to 24, and if you are taking square root, there will be two values, plus root 24 also equal to this. Okay, so because for example k square is equal to 4, if k will be plus or minus 2, because 2 square also 4 and minus 2 square also 4, that's why we write plus or minus. Two values are possible. This you have already learned in your lower class. Now this last sum, kx square, first always make sure you're writing the question in general form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. Whenever you are having any question, first convert in general form. First I have multiplied this and multiplied this. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. What is A? K. B is minus 2k and c is 6. So again formula, d is equal to 0. It is given in question, it is equal to 0. Equal, so direct writing d equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Putting the value, minus 2k square minus 4ac equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. This is all solving part. You can do it on your own. Now what is common? 4k, k minus 6 equal to 0. So 4k equal to 0, or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Directly I can write k is equal to 6. Now you will get k is equal to 0, because 4 times k is 0, so k will be also 0. So here you will have k is 0 or k as 6. But k 0 will be not possible, because if k is 0, x square and x will be eliminated. So k will be not 0, k will be 6. So this is the answer. K will be 6. Okay, I believe you have understood. If any doubts, let me know. Thank you.